Creating product photos with AI can be a powerful way to produce high-quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are general steps you can follow to create product photos using AI tools. So to use FlairAI, a platform for creating branded content, you can follow these steps. First, you have to sign up or log in, then you create a project, then upload brand assets, and the fourth one is design with EA, then review and edit. The sixth one is download and use, and then additional features, and finally support and resources. So first of all, let's know what is Flare.ea. So Flare.ea is an AI-powered platform focused on streamlining and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So first, all I have to do is dive into flare.com.ea, sorry, and this is the homepage as you can see. So let's know some information about Flare.ea. As you can see, we have the EA design tool for product photo shoots, drag and drop to generate stunning product shots. And second, so you can go over here to get started and sign up. Then we have other things like make standout content with stunning templates. We have a still life, furniture, food also. You can select the niche you want. Then we have a substance digitally with drags and drop props, bring it to life with AI. And we have here other things like bold slake shirts faster than ever. And here we have fashion photo shoots. And we have here iterate, collaborate. We have other thing here, as you can see, design with flyer also, and other information. So to get started is absolutely for free, and here we have up to 10 image per month, up to 5 projects, and it's forever. So to get started, all you have to do is click over here, and then you can write your email, or you can continue with Google also. Then you choose your account here, like choose my account. So this is the home page. If you can start build your project, we have here other things like upgrade here. We have also here your account. You can log out or manage subscriptions. We have here export workflows, create new objects, projects, sorry, and create fashion projects. We have here some niche like beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, stay-in, and you select one you want, accessories, home goods, and other things. And here we have a recent project. Here we have child fashion projects. So to start to build your own projects, all you have to do is click over here, create fashion projects. So as you can see, we have your product first. You can upload tops, t-shirts or sweatshirts. So if you choose this one, we have here a various of information like choose the color, you can modify various things. Then we have your pose, and then here we have other things like here. So if you upload your product photo, then generate. Here we have other information like view all. You can also select a template below. Then we have here prompt builder, reference image, edit the prompt in the form below here. Thus we're also surrounded by what with our next to found here are in front of. You can here choose on, standing on, lying on, balancing on, buried on, emerging from or in. Here we have number also, correct color. Also here we have rendered strength, color strength, outline strength also. Then we have here props also. You can just search by keyword. Then we have edit here. We can remove background, magic areas, upscale also, upscale creative, image variation, color, no, and here you select if no one or full color or tint. Then we have here price, also color. Then we have here scale here, and we have here suffix. So here you can choose BP, PNG or CPG. So this is for format. Then you download your image and start share it with people that can buy your product. Then we have here human. We have here drag and drop hands and humans. We have female skincare and beauty models. We have casual models, male models, hands holding smaller product, and you can select the one you want. Then finally we have here try on. You select your project, then you can choose color, also the position. Then if you done with it, all you have to do is download your image and start sell your product. So if you wanna download your image, all you have to do is use canva.com. It's very useful and helpful. So this is my account. All I have to do is leave canva.com here. We have here our account. It's absolutely for free. So we click over customize size, then we click over presentation here. Then we have here the home page. We have your design elements, text, print. So you just write your product imaged and you select it. So here we have position also. Then we have here add comment. Also here we have background color, notes, duration, timer. You can zoom also here, and there we have quick actions and other things. Then if you select your photo product, all you have to do is go to product and upload products photos, and you modify and you design your products as you want. So in conclusion, we can just say FlairAI represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.